Hello, today we will guide you through how to calculate average in Google Sheets. To begin, open the sample spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Once the sheet is on screen, take a moment to locate the area where you want the average to appear. In Google Sheets, an average is used to find the mean value of a group of numbers, which is especially useful when you want a quick summary of scores, totals, or other numerical data. Starting in the correct cell helps keep your sheet organized and makes the results easier to read. Next, click into the cell where you want the average formula to go, then type equals average. As you enter the formula, Google Sheets will usually show a suggestion dropdown. When you see the average function appear, press Tab to select it quickly. This is a helpful shortcut because it saves time and reduces the chance of typing the function incorrectly. The average function is built into Google Sheets and is designed to calculate the mean of a selected range of numbers automatically. After that, press Enter to confirm the formula. Once the formula has been entered and the result appears, you can copy it to nearby cells by using drag and drop. To do this, click the cell with the completed formula, then move your cursor to the small square at the corner of the selected cell. When the cursor changes, click and drag downward or across, depending on where you want the formula copied. This is a simple way to apply the same calculation to multiple rows or columns without retyping anything. As you drag the formula, Google Sheets will automatically adjust the cell references for each new row or column. That means if you are averaging data from one row, the next copied formula will update to average the data in the next row. This feature makes spreadsheets much more efficient, especially when you are working with larger sets of data. If the result does not look right, double-check that the cells being averaged contain numbers and that the formula was placed in the intended location. Also, make sure you press Tab while selecting the average function and Enter to apply it before dragging the formula to other cells. That's all it takes to calculate and copy averages in Google Sheets. Once you've done it a few times, it becomes a fast and reliable way to analyze your data.